Greetings, I and my fellow group members will be presenting on theme 2, which is Principles of Inclusive Education. We'll be focusing on how we can create an environment that supports all learners, including those with diverse needs. Now, the first question that we need to ask ourselves is, what is inclusive education? According to UNLU, inclusive education is ensuring that all learners receive the same level of respect despite their backgrounds as well as their abilities. Inclusive education involves creating an environment that is welcoming, supportive, and accessible without discriminating learners with special needs or disabilities. Now, creating such an environment results to learners' self-esteem being boosted and fosters a sense of belonging and also increasing the level of participation in class.
One of the principles of inclusive education is promoting collaborative learning. According to Collaborative Learning Center for Teaching Innovation, collaborative learning means learners work together as groups through exchange of ideas and perspectives to come up with different ideas through critical thinking and problem solving. To create an environment that supports all learners, including those with diverse needs, I would group learners so that they collaboratively work with one another. I would encourage the significance of working with one another so that each learner understands the value of working with their peers. I would also reiterate the fact that every idea is meaningful and that there is no thing as a stupid answer. This would deepen their level of understanding through hearing other learners' responses and prompt them to come out with ideas and solutions where applicable.
Another principle of an inclusive education is embracing, understanding, and acknowledging diversity of learners. The diversity of learners is based on their capabilities, language, gender, cultures, and their intellects. So I, as a teacher, to create an environment that supports all learners, including their diverse needs, I will incorporate other learning materials like technology to cater for the different learning styles of learners. For example, other learners learn by seeing and others by hearing, and other learners understand better through depiction of real-life scenarios. I will also celebrate their different cultures and tribes by asking them to present on their cultural attires. This will promote inclusiveness and acceptance within the classroom. To create inclusive education, I will incorporate differentiated instruction by using different teaching methods, materials, and activities to accommodate all learners. This principle of an inclusive education ensures that all learners receive the support they need with activities that address diverse learning preferences and strengths. For example, in a natural science lesson, topic being a plant structure, I as a natural science teacher will provide learners with graph templates to compare the growth of the various parts of the plant. The learners will gather data by measuring parts of the plant on a real plant. After gathering data, the learners will plot the line graph on their templates to represent their collected data. This will ensure that learners who enjoy and excel in maths engage in the lesson, as the activity incorporates numbers by measuring various parts of the plant, such as the length of the stem.
Accessible learning material. It is important for every learner in a classroom or any learning environment to have access to materials available in various formats, accommodating diverse learning needs and preferences. As educators, it is our duty to ensure that all the students get an opportunity to succeed by making it easy for them to access the learning material they need. As learners in a classroom are different from each other with diverse learning strategies and needs, it is a teacher's responsibility to study and analyze their diversity to know which materials should be provided together with instructional strategies to make sure that everyone is included and feels supported. For example, a teacher playing a video related to a chapter being taught is one of the strategies that are used to make learning material accessible for those learners who prefer watching and learning through videos instead of listening to their teacher every day.